Yo, welcome back, guys. Today we're doing a little something different. Well, it's pretty much the same stuff. I'm going to try to fix this. I went to the junkyard this morning to get all the parts we need in order to fix this Sebring. So the bash bar is damaged. Let me see if I can get you guys here. So the bash bar, the radiator support, the hood, driver fender, and headlight all destroyed. So I'm gonna try to fix it. I got all the parts here. Let me show you the parts. And all of the parts that I got, it fit right in the element. Not a problem at all. So here's all the parts. The fender, yes, they're all different colors. The hood, the grill, and the radiator support. And let me show you the headlight. And also the headlight. Now that headlight was yellow. It was worse than the one that's on there. Here, let me show you. It was worse than this one. And yeah, that one there. And I'm gonna go ahead and polish it and buff it up and everything. And I'm out of breath. I am totally out of breath. Hold on, take a breath real quick. When I got back, when I was on my way back from the junkyard, the element serpentine belt broke. And luckily, being that it has a double core radiator, I was just about to exit. So I had exit, let the car cool off, and then I drove it for a little bit longer, let the car cool off, drive it a little bit longer. So I did that all the way home. I was probably like 2 miles, 3 miles away from home, so which is okay. But if I was further, I would just had somebody come tow it or come pick me up or something. I have AAA. But fix that. Serpentine belt, new one's on there, so we all good on there. So let's get started on that.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
Okay, so now the only thing I have to do is straighten this and somewhat straighten this back up, because oh yeah, the ear's supposed to be bent down, but this is out just a little bit too far. So I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna fix this real quick. Alright, that should be good there. Alright, so the next thing I need to do is the hood. Off camera, I went on ahead and polished this headlight. I don't know if you remember this dull headlight here. Went on ahead and polished that off camera because nobody wants to see that. There's thousands of those videos out there. And I went on ahead and fixed the air conditioning system, vacuum pumped it for about an hour or so. Made sure it held vacuum, and then I went on ahead and charged it. So that's good to go. So the last thing is just to pull this hood off. Alright, well, that's it. That's all I had to do. I don't have a bumper yet. Not yet. I gotta get a bumper. And that's it. Just put the bumper on and get it painted. So, other than that, that is it. Let me stand in some shade real quick. Talk to you guys for a second. Whew. Oh boy. Sorry about that. I'm beat. But other than that, please guys, comment, like, subscribe. If you have any, I know I need to fix those gaps on there. The gaps, I'm just looking at them right now. They look a little suspect there. But it did take a good hit, so it still need a lot of adjustment on the fender and the hood, but it'll work for right now. And that's it. Well, thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for more on something. Yeah, something. Whew. All right, guys. Talk to you later.